It's a thing we cannot see or touch. It cannot be reversed or taken back. It flies with every tick of the second. It is the most precious thing we all have. It is what made us today from the past. Time is our legacy, our history, our tradition. Introducing Ferro & Company's Traditum collection. Exquisite Swiss-made timepieces that not only keep precious time, but will perpetuate mankind's legacy. At Ferro & Company, we believe that fine details, perfection, using the highest grade materials, and everlasting movements is what makes a watch luxurious. The Ferro Traditum collection comes in two distinct series, the Arabica and the Roman, which come in a stainless steel case and are available with 18-karat solid rose gold bezel, housing Swiss mechanical hand-wound ETA 6498 movement with Côte de Genève stripe decoration. Take advantage of this exclusive offer and free worldwide shipping while on Kickstarter. Make your pledge now to receive your first Ferro Traditum Swiss-made watch at a fraction of future retail price. Thank you for your support.